Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'll be showing you how I make Parsad or Mohanbhog as it is commonly called. And this recipe is used mostly at religious functions like Diwali, which represents the symbol of lights. My mom, who is from that ethnic background, taught me how to put together this tasty and moist recipe. So let's get started with the ingredients. So I have some cherries, I also have some ghee, and ghee is a clarified butter made from cow's milk, some essence, grated nutmeg, unsalted butter. I also have some flour, which is a key ingredient to this recipe, brown sugar, evaporated milk. So into this evaporated milk, I'm going to add 1 cup of cream soda and 1 cup of orange soda drink, and kindly check the description box below for all measurements and ingredients. Now I'm going to add the sugar, along with the essence and the grated nutmeg. Mix it well until the sugar dissolves. So I have a serving tray here that I did grease with a little bit of butter, and this is for placing the parsad when it's done. So over medium heat I have a pan, and I'm going to place the butter and the ghee into this pan and let it melt. Now I'm going to add the flour, and I'm going to mix the butter into the flour and parch it over low heat for about 12 minutes. You don't want it to get too brown, and once the flour has been cooked, it changes into a wet sand looking texture. Now I'm going to add the milk mixture a little at a time. You need to keep stirring continuously until you get a soggy consistency. Bear in mind that once you keep stirring with medium heat, the mixture tends to stiffen. So you want to keep stirring, making sure that there are no lumps in here. I'm using the whisker this time because it tends to incorporate and create a very smooth texture to my recipe. Now it's time for me to add the cherries. And at this time I'm going to change from the whisk into a spoon using the back of the spoon, which is going to help me to get a very nice smooth texture. And you know your parsad is finished when it starts to ball like this and not stick to the pan. So at this time you want to turn the heat off and transfer the parsad onto the serving dish. Just like this, just pat it down. You can leave it as rough as it is, and it's best when you leave it in the refrigerator overnight. That's when you get a true taste of a parsad. So this is what my parsad looks like, guys. Give it a try, and if you like this video, don't you forget to give it a thumbs up, press that subscribe button, and also press the notification bell to be notified when I upload another video. And I will see you soon.